Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. I want to build a little hot chocolate area in the dollhouse. We're going to start in this little corner. You guys never see this and usually I hide stuff there. So I'm going to clean it out. We're going to use this little stand from a video I did a while ago for a miniature farmer's market. The top has fallen off of it, so I cut a piece of wood to go on the top. I'm going to paint it red. While that's drying, I want to make some mini marshmallows to put in a jar to put on the little bar. I painted the top and glued it on, and then I want to add some trim to the front. Now, I ended up not liking the way the top looks, and I do end up taking the whole top off. I just organized everything and I think it looks really cute. I just moved a little Christmas tree over here instead, but I love the way it turned out. Next up, we have some of the Miniverse Make It Mini holiday balls. So excited to open these. In the first one, we got some little gingerbread cookies. We got our little table with little snowflakes on it. We got a little like Swiss roll cake. A little cake stand. I'm loving the paper these are coming wrapped in. I think they would make really cute wrapping paper for the dollhouse, and I'm gonna save all of them for that. Next up, we have some little holly and mushrooms and little red berries. Here is what we got. This is our little like powdered sugar for dusting. This is the resin, which is like maybe like a caramel sauce. Here's our little topper to the ball and our tweezers. And we got a little like spatula knife. I think the ball is really cute. Here's our little cake, and you are supposed to put some of the little resin caramel, I don't know if it's caramel, I'm imagining it's caramel, on top. And then I'm going to take some of the holly and the berries, put them on top. Then I put a couple of the little mushrooms on top. Then I'm going to sprinkle it with the like powdered sugar and shake off the excess. I decided not to put the little gingerbread cookies on there. I'm just going to save them. Next up, we have this ball, and this one is the special one, the Christmas vacation ball. And we got the little moose mugs. There is a trick when you're picking out your balls. You can look at the little gaps in the perforated line where you open it, and you can see either a gold ball or a green ball. So I'm not gonna lie, I spent a lot of time out at Walmart looking for this green ball. Some cinnamon sticks. And then we have a little cinnamon shaker. We get this cute little tray to put everything on. I think it's really cute. We also get this envelope, which I didn't know about, and it's Clark Griswold's Jelly of the Month membership, and I think it's really cute. This is our resin, the eggnog, and I am choosing not to put the resin in mine. I don't want to permanently have them set up like that. Here's our tweezers and the top to the ball. What I did instead is use some air dry clay and put inside. Next up we have the Christmas tree. You can tell what's in the package except for the green ball. You can tell by looking at the red layer. We got a little tree topper. This is the flocking powder. This is the ornaments in a tube. I love how they look. They almost remind me of shiny bright ornaments. Here is our resin, which is kind of like a glue to put on the tree. Our tree stand. Here's our tweezers. A little paintbrush to paint the resin on. This is our tree. And it does need a little kind of fluffing, shaping when you take it out of the wrapping. It's kind of smushed in there. You just stick it down in the tree stand. This is the top of our tree. And it just sticks right on the bottom. For the putting on the resin, I don't really want to use the little brush. I want to save it, so I'm just going to use a paintbrush. Here is the tree topper, and I am saving this to put back in the box. I think it's a cute little decoration. So I just use the paintbrush to paint on the resin glue, and then you sprinkle on the flocking powder. And then it was time to put on the ornaments. I love this little tree. I think it's really cute for the dollhouse. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.